my name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing some medium to small knotless box braids. But before we get into today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your comment down below, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, and yeah, let's get into today's video. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the hair that I'll be using. And this video is a sponsored video. Yes, another sponsored video. So this video is sponsored by YOUNGTHER hair, and they sent me their pre-stretched braiding hair, 1B 350, 26 inches. So this is what it looks like. Let me take it out of the package so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like straight from the package. This is the color that I decided to get. My first time trying this color. This is the name of the company, YOUNGTHER hair. Okay, this hair can be used to make box braid hairstyle, can be used to make Senegalese hair, can be used to make faux locks hair, and can make other styles you want. Attention, you can't perm or dye or bleach this hair. Please feel free to contact us. I will leave their contact information down below, but they sent me 7 packs of hair, so I'll be using this to create my knotless box braids. So as you guys can see, my hair is already stretched. I washed it and I blow dried it yesterday, so this is what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys how to install, or how I will be doing my knotless box braids. All right, so now that I have my hair all sectioned, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start to prep my hair. I'm gonna do one first, just to see what size I'm gonna go with, and then I'll do the rest. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Hope you guys can see. Turn all the way up, and so first section. My jam. Not gonna use a lot, just a little bit around the roots to keep it nice and neat. I'm gonna split my hair in 3. 1, 2, 3, like so. And I'm gonna start to braid. Add in my hair. Add it under. Hope you guys can see. I'm gonna braid again. 1, 2. So once I come back to this side, I'm gonna go ahead and add another piece. Braid. So that's all I'll be doing them. Looking good so far. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the back section, and I'll be back to show you guys how I do the front. So bye. So I went ahead and I finished the back section, so now I'm on to my last two sections, and my partings aren't the best, but they'll do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys two more times how I do these knotless braids. So first thing is first, I'm gonna go ahead and part my section, then I'm gonna add some jam to the roots just to keep it nice and clean. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair as if I'm doing a cornrow. Then I start to feed in the extensions. So like I said, you're gonna go ahead and braid as if you are doing a cornrow. Split your hair in 3 sections. Start the cornrow, feed in the ear underneath, and then continue to braid. So this is what my braids are looking like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some anti-itch spray to my scalp to prevent it from itching. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Lotta Body or mousse to my hair to tame the flyaways. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends in some boiling hot water. So I decided to give my hair a wavy look, or the ends of my hair a wavy look. So what I did is just braid like regular braid, then dip that in the hot water, and then that's how I get the wavy look.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair accessories to my hair, and these came with the extensions as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, style my hair, and show you guys the finished look.
So this is the finished look, you guys. So like I said before, all the information about this hair will be linked in the description box below, all their contact information. And again, this hair company is called YOUNGTHER Hair. So, and like I said, I will leave all their contact information in the description box below. And this is their braiding hair, pre-stretched. And yeah, so so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you next